So why is it so hot in the tropics and so cold in the poles? Interestingly, the amount of daylight is in a year is the same. Both have half of all of the time there is daylight, half is night. The difference is in the tropics. The intensity of solar radiation as it's received by the ground is greater, it's more concentrated. So if you look at the middle of this slide, um, the a given parcel of radiation coming in spreads over a very small area, very concentrated, so it makes it hot. Whereas it spreads over a larger area when you get up into those higher latitudes. So its effect is that more diffuse radiation. It doesn't heat up per square meter or whatever as much. So the tropics are hotter because the solar radiation received at the ground is more intense. The sun isn't more intense per se there. The sun is the same, but it's just that the way that it's received at the ground is that way. That's the primary reason. There are other factors there too.